Morning, guys. This is Mowers. We here. It's about 6 a.m. About 25 degrees. I am on my way to go pick up a tractor and a blower up in New City, New York. It's about 45-minute drive from me. Then come back down, and I have to pick up 5 lawnmowers and 3 baggers with it from another guy I know for free. So that's gonna be my day today. So let's go get them. What's going on, guys? So I already picked it up. Picked up this Craftsman 13 horsepower 6-speed with a 42 inch deck. Nice little Briggs 13 horsepower. So it's not bad. The guy told me it's leaking a little oil, and something's wrong with the tie rods. I think we'll find out. But it did bring a bagger system, so you see it here. And he gave me one of these blowers, and it actually runs. So we're gonna be unloading it, and we're gonna be checking, make sure everything runs. But I am here, guys, on the second location, and picking up my lawnmowers for free. So we have one Craftsman messed up deck, but as you guys see in the last video, I have a whole bunch of decks, and these actually look fairly decent. That one looks basically brand new after getting cleaned up, and they all have baggers. So let's try to figure out how to load this up, because I'm already jam-packed. So let's try to figure it out. All right, guys, so we're back in my storage. Long morning, picked up a whole bunch of stuff. Is really incredible. So this is what I got so far. Again, with the struggle, how am I gonna fit this again? I barely fit everything in there now. I'm really lost right now, so I really have no idea what to do. I'm just on a roll and getting free stuff. It's incredible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull them off, make sure if they run, because if they run, I'm literally just gonna clean them up and just sell them, make a quick buck out of it. So we'll see. So let's see. All right, so this is my little collection for the day. We got a Scott's self-propelled multi-bagger. Actually, it looks in really good condition. Maybe some tires, but I do have a whole bunch of tires there. We have a, what's this? Craftsman. Yeah, Craftsman. I mean, this one is in amazing shape. It's really good shape. And this has a 7.25 engine on it. We have an MTD yard machine with a Briggs on it, 675. You can tell, I don't know what they were trying to do there. when I never seen rigging at its best. A man's best friend. Duct tape. Not a dog, guys. A man's best friend is duct tape. He made this work until the final end. Incredible. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my son Julian. He loves being with me, of course. Another Craftsman. Honestly, this one, if it's cleaned up, it actually looks amazing. Really solid. Deck is in really good condition. And again, guys, all of these have bags, so that you can sell them for more money. This one, this Craftsman, it would have been amazing shape, but you guys can see this deck is literally just ride it through. Just ride it through. It's crazy. You know? And it's just crazy, it's just this one part. But besides that, I mean, It looks amazing. It looks great. Oh, look at this right here too. Oh yeah, this deck is done. You guys see that, right? Oh yeah, look at that. That's done. But out of it, you know, I needed the engine because I think I have the same deck somewhere inside that storage. And all of them were free. Every single one was free. But again, I don't know if they start or not. So we'll be finding out. I also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more baggers. How you like that? 5 more baggers. I didn't realize how people go crazy for these baggers. And it was crazy because I got rid of a whole bunch of them for like $25 like last year. So it is what it is. We got a Echo trimmer here. This one has seen better days. It feels like it has compression, so not bad. This was my first pickup, which there was the tractor with the bagger system, which you guys already saw that, and this blower. This actually looks in great condition. He did tell me the tank was leaking, so he tried to use some what's that that putty, that metal patch stuff. So he said it was still leaking. But if I am correct, I think I have this tank. I think. If not, I don't know. I'll see if I can find one. You know, or maybe sell that as is. But if I sell it as is, not gonna get so much money. If I get the tank right, clean it up, it actually looks amazing. Really, really good condition. So I didn't know these sell for a lot of money. Had no idea. So I'm really gonna stay. I'm actually gonna stay with the other one. The other one I got was last week. I did take the engine off. Well, excuse me, the engine was already off, unbolted, but I still have the frame here. So I'm actually going to try to put this together. Since I didn't realize they actually sell for good money. So, but we'll find out. So actually, let's see if we get them started, just for the heck of it. Let's see if they just run with some magic gas. So guys, we're gonna do this Scots first. Oh, that doesn't help. You know what? This does have gas. Let's just try like this. Check the oil. Alright, it has oil. Well, that felt like, I don't know, it felt really, really weird. It is spinning. So the blade is spinning. I don't know. I feel like it probably doesn't have. I gotta check compression. Gotta check for a spark test. Oh, look at that. It's leaking. Got a bad tank. Bad tank. Alright. Let's go to the next one here. We got the Craftsman. This is the one that looks new. Smells like fresh fuel. Check oil. Oil's good. Spray some juice. And as you guys can see, all these need some maintenance work to it because they all look horrible. So we are 1 for 1. I'm lucky that one actually works because that one I have to call a buddy of mine, but I'm pretty sure I could get good money for it. So let's check out the other ones. So we got the MTD yard machine here. All right, so it has fuel. Let's see if she cranks up by itself without no starter fluid. Nope. Another one. And listen, guys, they're all gonna get oil changes and car cleaning, and I'll make sure I clean them all up so I can get good, good money for them. So let's keep going here. So we got the other Craftsman. Again, let's check fuel. Has fuel in it. Oil. Next up, we got the other Craftsman with the rotted deck. I just really want to see if the engine's good. I'm literally gonna remove this engine, just use this as parts. So, good oil. There's fuel in there. It smells like a brand new fuel. I mean, good fuel, so. Let's see if she cranks. Oh. Well, this one shut off. That's all right. Probably need some good carb cleaning, that's all. So, that's not bad. I got 4 that actually work with a little spray, actually turns on, stays on. Well, 3 that stays on. The other one shutting off, but it looks like it's been sitting for such a long time. That's a little carb cleaning. Give it a nice little tune up, new spark plug, new oil. It's gonna run amazing. It's that simple, okay? But these 3 turn on. Literally, I don't have to do nothing. If I choose to, I literally don't have to do nothing. But they're all gonna get new air filter, cleaned up, spark plug, change oil. I'm gonna run through the whole machine. Okay, easy flips, guys. Easy flips. This is too easy. This is too easy. And listen, guys, you don't have to be a master mechanic to do these engines. Okay, it's really nothing to them. Really nothing to them. So next one that I want to try is to start on. Here comes the one that bothers me. He's gonna be bothering me for the rest of his life. Look what he's doing. He's trying to open the door from the outside. Really? Hey, be careful. Gotta love kids. So yes, my next one, I'm gonna try to turn this Craftsman on. Actually, you know what? Let's turn this blower on. I want to see how it runs. So I got the Craftsman tractor here. Everything looks fine under the hood. I'm surprised because look at that. Look at that. Brand new battery. I know a certain somebody, Henry, from Mowers blowers, that's always struggling with batteries. And I get a tractor for free with a battery. Sorry, Henry. But let's try it out. That don't sound good. Starter. Probably gotta take it apart. probably not pushing up to catch the flywheel. That's what it sounds. Yeah, literally just spinning. It's not engaged. It's not pushing up. And well, that'd be a little project there. But yeah, it's actually not bad. Nice little brigs into it. Actually, really good condition. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But besides that, not bad for free. So we're gonna try to get them going and up for sale. That's pretty much it. To try to figure out how to stick it in there. Too cute. Come over here. Give me a hand. Up. Likes to be like his dad. Yep, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's my little freebie for the day. Until next time, guys, keep in touch. This is Lawnmowers.